Alright, and we're back. Misteri-Monster here. We're gonna, per usual, new weapon. Let's go. Let's see what we crack-a-lacking. Alright, so we are going to get... Ooh, I'm gonna buy these fresh kicks right here. And we're also gonna equip them. Because today, we're actually gonna buy 2 new things. We're gonna try a new gun here with massive damage. We're gonna try this one I have. We gonna try it out. Yes, sir. So we got a new gun. We got some new kicks, and the kicks are supposed to let us walk through our enemy's ink easier. And the gun does just massive amounts of damage. So we're gonna see see how it cracks. We're gonna do a lobby game and try out the new gun, new shoes. Then we'll go ahead and we'll hop into a ranked battle, either with our doubles, either with our dual wields like Desperado, or with our new weapon here. Whichever one we prefer. We're gonna give this gun a chance here. We're joined by our trusty friend right here, who's just gonna be chilling out with us tonight. She just waved hello to everybody. Alright, let's do this. Let's do this. This gun looks pretty badass, honestly. Let's try it out. Ooh, look at this boy. I like it. I like it so far. Look at this. We're just covering everything. Oh, I forgot. I gotta check my... Oh, we fell into the fucking water. Rookie moves. Alright. But, real quick here. Let's check out what our special is. Look at that. What does that do? What does that do? I don't even know what that does. I'm gonna have to go read what that does. Boom, headshots. Let's go. We took this gun for the big damage. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, someone's locked onto us. Nope, not me. Let's go. Get rid of this ping. What is this? Oh, we gonna make it rain. I just got the ink storm. Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's he at? There he is. There he is. So this gun is supposed to have like a slow shooting rate, but it doesn't seem that bad to me, honestly. Like, this might be a weapon that we can actually take in the battle. It's not. I don't know. It's not my dual wields, you know what I mean? But we're gonna keep trying new guns till we find our one. It's a pretty nice gun though. I like it. I just don't know if I like the special that much. Where'd he go? Oh, he's right below me. And we knocked him in the water. Look at these side ramps. Where's my skateboard at? Oh, he's coming up the wall. He's coming up the wall. Boom! Surprise attack, motherfucker. Boom! In their spawn, just... Let's go. We're gonna make it rain in their spawn right now. Just making it rain on them. What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh! Where you going? Where you going? Oh, you got a... We was about to get him. We was owning him. I'm sorry. We was just straight owning him, to be honest. 69. What? 69 and a half. Giggity. Alright, alright. We gotta get used to this storm cloud thing going on here. But besides that, I think we did pretty good. Let's go ahead. Let's try out a rank battle. As our mascot here tries to run away from us. So this is gonna be our first rank battle. And we're actually going in with the with the new gun instead of the so I guess we have a, I don't know why we have a C minus here. I guess that's where you start. You start with the C minus. And then Rainmaker, I think it is supposed to be like my special. So we understand what those are. I'm not sure what those zeros are next to my cash amount up there. It's all good though. Oh, mode is Rainmaker. Okay. Not sure exactly what that means. So it's not a turf war. Am I supposed to make it rain as many times as possible or something? Like, I don't understand. Does painting the area not matter? Because everyone's just running. Oh, what the heck is that? Well, we just got our first kill in rain battle, so that's cool. Let's see what this thing is. Oh shit. Dude, I just got the Rainmaker. What? Okay, so we get the Rainmaker and then I guess we just protect it or something. I don't know, let's go help this guy out. Just make it as green as possible around our boy here. We gotta protect the Rainmaker. We took him out, we did our job. He might take us out, but we took him out too. So I see at the top it says 71 remaining. And you can see the little Rainmaker symbol moving one way. I'm not exactly sure what that means, but now it's moving the other way. I don't know exactly what that means what's going on here. But we just killed the Rainmaker guy, so there's the Rainmaker right there. And I got the Rainmaker, so I'm not sure where I'm supposed to go or what I'm supposed to do. I'm just gonna try and hold on to it as long as I can. I figure that's what you're supposed to do. Don't retreat. Okay, I'm going the wrong way. I don't know. It said don't retreat. I figured I just wanted it next to my spawn as close as possible. Apparently you want to take it to the other team's spawn. So we're learning as we go. You know what I mean? We're learning as we go. Alright, cool. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with the Rainmaker. Remaining 69, remaining 54. Is that how many lives we have? Like, they have the Rainmaker. These games are definitely longer than actual games, which is cool. We just killed the guy with the Rainmaker. So I'm not exactly sure. It looks like you have to like make it explode with paint before you can grab it again after the person who has it is killed. And I don't know if we want the higher number remaining or not, but we definitely have it at this point. And we just killed like their whole team. Oh look, see how it's counting down? I think we want to have less numbers. I'm just gonna hide out here and just freaking let it count down. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna swim around with the Rainmaker here. My team's just, I don't know, man. I've held this thing like for a good few seconds at this point. Like, my teammates are just protecting. This is awesome. 10 seconds left. I mean, I'm about to hit like the max number, I guess. Do I just win? 4, 3, 2, 1. Rainmaker reset. I don't know if I got like the most points possible or what. It still has the same remaining thing at the top, so I don't know exactly what's going on here. But I don't know how I didn't kill that guy. I feel like I was shooting him, but it may have been a little off, I guess. My bad. The dualies need less accuracy. Let's see what's... Oh, let's take him out. Oh, the Rainmaker is reset. Okay. I don't know if oh, look it. You make it rain. That's cool. So, that's the game. Let's see what the results are here so we know whether you want to hold... I mean, I'm assuming you want to hold it. Count. So, I guess the count is how long you held the Rainmaker for, I'm guessing. Let's see. I guess I got 7 kills. I'm not sure exactly what I'm not sure exactly what just happened. Like, I'm assuming, am I the only one who grabbed the Rainmaker for my team? Because I swear I got like 30 of those points. I will watch the replay and do a little research. Next time we'll know what's cracking. I'm actually gonna leave. I'm gonna switch over my dual wields and play a little bit more for fun, find out what's cracking, and I'll get to you guys next episode.